Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we're on the road. I'm gonna try focus, tell you what we're doing today. I'm checking you with, we're gonna head probably too far away to pick up a bike, and it's an all right deal as of now. I might be able to get it for a little bit less, but as of now, it's an all right deal. Once we grab it, I'm gonna show you everything that's wrong with it, which is a lot, but I think we're gonna be able to do some cool things with it. I've got a couple different routes that I could go, undecided as of now. And probably when I work on this bike, it's gonna be way in the future when I have some time. So if you haven't already, please check out Wild Moto on Instagram. Everything's gonna be linked down below. Obviously all the affiliate links, that good stuff to help this channel out, and the Wild Moto shop, so check those out. I'll see ya when we get the bike. Well, we got the bike, it's in the back. I'm gonna pull over real quick. And we'll take a quick look because I gotta get home. All right, there should be 2006 Honda CRF 450, and she's pretty clapped. That puddle right there, it has a reason to be there because there's kind of a giant hole in the engine. And yeah, this is the bike. A lot of upgrades, but also engine's blown. So that's the bike in all its glory. There's a lot going on. This is gonna be a huge project, and I can't wait to dive into it. So I'll see you at home. Well, that was almost a year ago when I picked that bike up. There she sits over in the corner. I've been trying my best to find a 450 engine. I've had 2 opportunities, and both times the seller screwed me over. So I decided that I'm just gonna try and make some money off this bike by parting it out. It's got a lot of decent parts on it. I'm going to be using maybe some of them on some of my other builds, so at least it'll help me out in that way. But yeah, unfortunately couldn't make it happen. I was trying my best. There was 2 different CRF 450 engines that I could swap into here, and then also I was looking at a CR 250 engine to swap in here, and just nothing worked out for me. So here we are, gonna strip this bike down. Would have loved to have built this thing, but that's just the way she goes sometimes, so let's get to it. What's super nice is that I've got a box full of all the stock parts and a couple different aftermarket things that probably, I don't know, $200–300 worth of stuff, maybe. Now this bike, it just isn't in too bad a condition, aside from the hole in the engine. Looks like somebody blew it to pieces. Aside from that. But, you know, we got some good stuff on here. The hour meter, 85.1, that's where she's at right now. Not sure if that was put on after engine rebuild or what, but either way, she didn't make it that long before absolutely grenading. But yeah, there it is. You know, we've got the a little plasti dip on the side panels. Never thought of that. And then the wheels on it, unfortunately they're not aftermarket. They're plasti dipped. So, along with the hubs, yay. So hopefully I'm able to remove that easily. Can sell the wheel set. The tires are trashed. A lot of stuff going on. Let's dive into it. Hopefully it's as it seems, just a blown motor. We don't have a bunch of busted up parts here and there. We don't have a cracked frame or anything. But the only way to tell is strip her down.
In high school, I was a loner, I was a reject, I was a poser, multiple personalities, I'm bipolar, I swear I mean well, I'm still going to hell. Witchcraft, love chance, whisper in my ear,
Got some spillage going on. Look at the top end of this thing. Shit looks like it's in really good condition. Obviously you can't really tell, but a lot of these components on the engine, just like the engine mounting bolts, wherever they went, they look brand spanking new. It'll be interesting to see what we can salvage. Hopefully a little bit. So we got her stripped. I'm gonna snag those foot pegs off there. Last little chunk of the linkage. It's a little RG3 linkage piece. I'm not sure what's so great about it, but there we go. A little bit of everything. And then just the hardware. I don't know if I'll just bag that up and try and sell it as a kit or what. I'll be cleaning up everything and disassembling things more, like swing arm and a couple other goodies. Radiators, they're pretty tweaked. I don't know if I'll be able to straighten those out nicely. We got some other good stuff here that just needs really cleaning up. So I got to split. I'll be back later.